Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Placerville local and long-distance movers near me. By using our long-distance movers, you get the professional services you need for a much easier move. We help you move to the next state over or all the way across the country. With us, you get all the best moving services to make relocating so much simpler. If you're searching for a general move or a full-service move, we provide all the choices you need, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It's not always easy to justify the cost when choosing a California moving company. A local moving company delivers many advantages, which can make it well worth the cost. Any decent moving company will definitely help you save time on your local move. You will also get to avoid the heavy lifting, which means no risk of injury. Our crew of experienced movers will definitely make sure your move is very efficient. 3 Movers understands how to streamline your move. A move that might take you all weekend to complete, we can take care of in a single afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Placerville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.